run past the snowy mouth and the whitening sun. There's a cove in the dunes where the old tales stay, and the salt keeps watch at Sailor's Grave. Before the roads and the polished trade, it was sand and scrub and a rough bush shade. A hut by the weather, a fire by the sea, and a coast that gave no guarantees. Oh, Sailor's Grave, when the hard wind blows, the sand keeps stories that the wild tide knows. From Beware Reef to the breaking foam, the lost and the living still call this home. Hey now, hold now, hear that dark wind sing over dune and hollow where the seabirds wing. Oh, Sailor's Grave, where the old names stay, buried in the salt and the shifting grave. Hey! They say a ship struck hard on Beware Reef, and the sea showed little in the way of grief. 3 men came ashore where the wide waves gave, and were laid in sand at Sailor's Grave. A rough old cross and a heap of stone for souls the coast would not give home. And the years rolled over with the grass and rain, but the name held fast in the drifting plain. Oh, Sailor's Grave, when the hard wind blows, the sand keeps stories that the wild tide knows. From Beware Reef to the breaking foam, the lost and the living still call this home. Hey now, haul now, hear that dark wind sing over dune and hollow where the seabirds wing. Oh, Sailor's Grave, where the old names stay, buried in the salt and the shifting grave. Hey! Then came the summers of the hut and dune, long bright days and the wild gull tune. A pub in the sand and a laughing fire, freedom enough for the young heart's desire. Goannas moved through the tea tree shade, seagulls rode where the high winds played, and the old coast spirit, our fierce, our brave, still moved through the scrub at Sailor's Grave. Oh hey, the old wind knows what the sea takes down, and the tide bestows. From the snowy plains to the Conran shore, the coast keeps count and asks no more. Oh hey, hey, oh ho, wild wind blow. Oh hey, hey, oh ho, Sailor's Grave. Oh, Sailor's Grave, when the hard wind blows, the sand keeps stories that the wild tide knows. From Beware Reef to the breaking foam, the lost and the living still call this home. Hey now, haul now, raise that voice again for the dune side dead and the summer friends. Oh, Sailor's Grave, through the years you stay, in the breath of the coast and the blown salt spray. Oh hey, hey, oh